Alright, we going to war. We going to war. How am I say, dolls? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Xrsbeauty, and I am back with another freaking video. Hey y'all, as you can tell by the title and by how your girl's looking right now, we are back with the hair videos. Okay, it was given natural for like probably I want to say maybe a week. We did the natural for maybe a week or whatever. It's giving new hair, you know, new frontal, new look, like new feeling. You know, when you just get your hair done, it's like, who you talking to? Oh, okay. We have a hair sponsor and we have a new one. Okay, they brand new. They just pulled up on the block or whatever. They just popped out on us and everything. So I want to say shout out to Xrsbeauty Hair for sponsoring today's video. Okay, they sent me some fire. Here, let me talk to y'all real quick. I got a vision, right? This hair that I am about to install is the 18-inch Silky Straight 13x6 undetachable skin melt lace wig. Okay, like apparently, like y'all all talking transparent lace and HD lace and whatever type of lace. Y'all don't got clear lace. Y'all don't got clear lace. I got clear lace. So they little box is cute or whatever. Like they really had me with the box. Okay, y'all, I just seen there was a ribbon there, but the ribbon's gone. So this is our cute little unboxing. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from. Hey. Okay, so it's like this or whatever, and you flip up like that or whatever, like boom, and then you got your hair right here, right? Oh, okay, right, y'all. So they not playing. They not playing. We gonna get to this part in a minute. So underneath your hair, you got the XRS hair instructions or whatever, you know. Oh, this is a letter to me. They give you 2 hair clips, right? Boom. You get your edge, your little edge brush, and then to smear out your glue, which we gonna need that. So we gonna leave that right to the side because I like that. I like that. I like that. Okay, then they give you wig caps. You need a wig cap. 2 in a pack, feel me? They give you a very wide tooth comb, which I needed one of these. Okay, so this is gonna come in handy, especially when I'm body curls and you just like and beautiful. Then they give you the snap on so you could give it structure or whatever. And they give you flexi rods. Who you know is giving you flexi rods? They don't give out flexi rods. Flexi rods are expensive, okay? Flexi rods is crazy. Stop playing. Yeah, I got the good stuff. They got regular brown lace, regular transparent lace, and then they got the new clear lace. I ain't gonna lie, this little clear lace looking a little icy. All right, y'all. So we gonna go with the regular brown lace that you be seeing out here on these girls' head or whatever. So this the lace, right? You come on now, you see that? You see it? You see it? Like they be like lace wear right here. We don't like that. We don't like that. Then you got the regular transparent lace that like was the new wave for a minute or whatever. So a little less, but put makeup on, you might be alright or whatever. Now that we got the new clear lace. What? What? Lace wear. Lace wear. Now that's a real lace wear. Now imagine your perfect foundation color on your frontal. Lace wear. Who got clear lace? I'll wait. When they reached out to me and I'm talking about new lace, of course I'm taking advantage of the new lace, and the whole time it was a lace shortage. Like, yeah, give me. And then 13x6, y'all. And I was okay with 18 inches because I wanted that, like, that natural look or whatever with, like, the layers in there. And we're going to do a middle part. Took it out the bag or whatever. Just like this, just like that. Take the little lunch lady net off. So, and it's already bleached. Shitting me. Look at these knots. These knots are bleached to perfection. I ain't never had no shit like that before. I'm trying to see what that be like, you know? Ain't that the TikTok? Ain't that the TikTok nigga? I'm trying to see what that be like. Yeah, I ain't never had my knots bleached so perfect like this. Before this video really gets started, you guys already know what I'm about to say. I want you guys to like, comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. So let's get into the video. I'm about to go in with some edge wax so we could push our edges back. Push them back. Push them back. Oh, let's get the little edge brush and everything. There we go. Oh, shit. Dropping stuff. Trying to do too much. Where did the edge brush go? Oh, I'll put it back in the box. See, about to wow out and it's in the box. Oh, chap. Just gonna push it right on back. Which I believe my little sister did my braids. And I couldn't find my, y'all know the gel mousse that I was using or whatever. I couldn't find that for so long. Y'all know where it was at? In my mama room. And I definitely use the Dr. Miracle Follicle Healer hydrating oil, energizing system or whatever. Boom, this is it. I got it from Amazon. And I am scraping inside of the bottle. Like, it's about to be going. Like, I'm not about to have nothing to put on my scalp. That's how much I freaking use this that I don't even have no more. I'm glad it ain't a lot of braid, so I could really just try and make it stretch, put it on at least some of my head. Damn, I hate when they give these caps. I don't like this one. Like, y'all, I don't know what cap to use. So should I use this cap? Like, it's one of these type. Alright, we going to war. We going to war. I think this is a really good bald cap. No, I think this is a very good bald cap. If you ask me, I did that, period. Girl, I know you lying. Let me get my little clips because that's what they gave them to me for. All these damn loose strands of hair. Now this goes crazy. Make me want to pull a wig back a little, like. Cause this is a fire hairline. Like, I don't want to cut half the damn hairline off. Should I do side? I think the side part, middle. I don't know yet. Let me just install a wig first. We're gonna lay this clear lace out, y'all. Since this is a new frontal, new wrap band. We don't need no old gunk from the old frontals, the old foundation. We don't need none of that. Woo! Y'all see that? Look at this. This goes crazy. I'm nervous. I don't even know what to do next. Like, where's my comb? And I know you is lying. Damn, I forgot to put foundation on the frontal, but mama mia, girl, I don't even need it. I'm so speechless right now. I've never had a frontal melt like this. Yo. Nah, and we's doing the damn thing right now. Since I found out and figured out that I'm gonna be doing a side part, I just made my part. I'm gonna go get my hot comb so I can slick everything down, and then I'm gonna cut out my baby hairs and lay them down, and then we could talk about this hair because this shit is bomb. Like, I'm so speechless. Like, I don't even know what to say right now. Like, I wasn't expecting this. Clear lace me forever. Like, I don't Imagine the downgrade of having to use a company that don't use clear lace after this. Damn. Damn. XRS, y'all better spin a block. Okay? I really wanted that like natural like layered look or whatever, so I'm glad I put it in side part. Cause like I'm gonna do like layers down there, so whatever. I don't know, but I'm gonna show y'all how long it is. It's 18 inches, so I'm gonna like have it bumped, so you know the little bump look that's going on now. So it stopped like literally right here. Okay, you guys, so I had put my close friends like the little video clip that y'all had seen or whatever, and I'm getting told to do a style because I normally don't do styles. So the style that I was told was the half up, half down with the two pieces in the front or whatever. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, I've never. That means now I gotta cut sideburns for this side. I don't want to do a full half up, half down. I don't know. Okay, you guys, I am back. My hair is finished. I am so beyond proud of myself with how it came out. I would have never thought I would have been styling on my own. Like, this is a whole, like, let me pick up the hairs. But shout out to Vicky, because she's the reason why I did this style. She's like, you always do middle part, side part, middle part, side part. And I'm like, yeah, that's a fact, because I was just telling y'all that. But it's giving melt all around the board. Like, I bodied this, and then I got a little crafty, you know. I put some layers in. I don't know if y'all can really see or whatever, but I'm thinking, since I did that, should I cut these and make these shorter, because these are mad long. So I'm thinking I should do that. Should I have did that? Damn, maybe I should have left it long. You see? Always touching. No, I don't know. Oh no, I like it short. Oh my god, y'all. I'm excited. This is so freaking cute. Like, let me. This is melt. Well, that's from this, but it's melted. It's melted. The first ponytail I had, it was shifted over this way, and it was more hair on this side, so I definitely took it out, redid it, sprayed it with some sheen or whatever to give it that shine when I threw the hot comb on there. This is the finished look of my hair. Once again, I want to say thank you and shout out to Xrsbeauty Hair for sponsoring today's video and sending me this new clear lace, because like I said, who else has clear lace besides Zero? Who? Ain't nobody there. These bitches out here not wearing clear lace. Okay, so you guys know if I'm coming to y'all with some bomb hair sponsors, you know your girl got a coupon code, okay? So I have 15% off for my Zaydolls. And once again, this is the Silky Straight 18-inch. This shit is bomb. This shit is bomb. Like, it went with everything that I was like hoping for, looking for, or whatever, like expecting. So yes, the coupon code is XRS102. So don't forget to type that in when you go to checkout or whatever, and let me know when you get your hair, because if we out here twinning, then it's twin them. Okay, evil twin. So yes, you guys, this is the finished look. This video is now over. It has come to a end, and you guys already know what I'm about to say. I want you guys to like, comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Okay, it's your girl Zayro, and I'm out. Later, my Zaydolls.